Hello viewers, please subscribe and click on the bell symbol to get more videos.
Hello, myself Datta Kumar. And today we are going to discuss about a new chapter, that is statistics. The topics which we have to cover today is first data and its type, next central tendency. What is central tendency? After that we are going to discuss about mean, median and mode, in which we are again having two types or two forms, that is ungrouped form and another is grouped form. And at last we are going to discuss about graphical method. In this graphical method we will be calculating the median of the given data. Now coming to the point, statistics. First we are going to discuss the definition of statistics. What is statistics? Statistics, it is a branch of mathematics which deals with collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and last one is presentation of the data. So first what we will do, we will collect the information in a form of data, and after that we will be organizing it. After that we are analyzing, that is we are examining it, and after that we are interpreting, that is explanation, and after that we are presenting the data either in a form of graphical method or in a pie chart, etc. Now in this we are discussing about data. What is data? Data is collection of well-defined information. What is the data? Is collection of well-defined information. So the information which we are collecting should be well-defined. That is well-defined information. For example, we are taking information like months in a year, or collecting attendance in the class, etc. Now coming to the types of data. Data are preliminary. They are divided into two parts, that is primary data and second one is secondary data. What is primary data? Primary data, the data which is directly collected. Primary data, the data which is directly collected from the source is called as primary data. For example, I am taking the attendance in the class. So here I am a class teacher, I am taking attendance. So this is a primary data which I am collecting. Next, coming to secondary data. What is secondary data? Secondary data is collected indirectly from the source. That is, it is collected from third person. For example, it is collected from third person, other person. For example, I have collected the attendance in the class. Okay, I have taken the attendance in the class. The headmaster of the school had taken same information from me. That is, I am the second person. The third person is taken. Information can be collected in two ways. That is ungrouped data and second one is grouped data. Okay, so first one is ungrouped data. Collection of original information in a raw form is called as ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is also called as raw data. Ungrouped data is also called as raw data. So what is raw data or ungrouped data? Ungrouped data or a raw data is the collection of original information, that is data, in raw form. So for example, I am collecting the numbers from the students. It may be example, the observations will be 1 or 3 or 7 or 14, etc. Okay, this is raw data, which is taken in a raw form. Now coming to second one, that is grouped data. Grouped data is the given raw data which can be converted into groups or classes or class intervals. It means that we are taking, if the given information or taken information is so long, the number of observations are more and more, then what we will do, we will convert these into grouped form. That is, we will be taking example, we will be taking the observations from 0 to 10, from 10 to 20, 20 to 30 or 30 to 40, so on. So this is called as grouped data. Now these are all informations which we are being collected. Why we are collecting this all information, and after collecting the information what we are doing, why we are taking this information because we need to why we are gathering this information, and after gathering this information what we are doing. So we are gathering this all information for finding the central tendency. Okay, so what is central tendency? The central value of a well-defined information. I have told you what is well-defined information. It is a data. So the central value of the given data is called as central tendency, and this central tendency can be find in three ways. That are, first one is mean, second is median, and third one is mode. What is mean? Mean is average. Median, it is the middlemost value, and mode, which is most frequently occurring observation in the given data. Now we are going to find central tendency of ungrouped data. So that is first we are going to find mean of ungrouped data, that is average, which is denoted as x bar. It is the ratio between sum of observations by number of observations, that is x bar. It is represented as x bar is equals to sum of observations divided by number of observations, that is equals to sigma. So this is called as sigma, this is sigma, or we call this as summation. Capital N, this is sum of observations, and small n represents number of observations. So for example, we are taking the observations as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are finite values, finite observations we have taken. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we are having 5 number of observations. Okay, so number of observations here are, okay, number of observations small n is equal to 5. So first, how we are finding here? Mean is, what is here? Mean is equal to, that is x bar is equal to sum of observations. So we are adding sum, we are adding all the observations, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by number of observations. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5, that is equal to, here x bar is equal to 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 divided by 5. So here we can cancel this, that is 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15, that is equal to 3. Okay, if you want to, again if you want to divide this, you can. 5 threes are 15, remainder will be 0, so our answer is 3. So what is the mean of these 5 natural numbers? First 5 natural numbers is sum of, that is 15, sum of observation is 15 and number of observation is 5. So on dividing we are getting the mean as 3. So this is how we can find the mean of the given data. So sometimes the question may be asked in other way, that is he will give the mean and he will ask, he will remove one of the observation and he can ask the value of that observation. So if I am removing 3 from here and I am taking as x and I have given already mean, that is 3. On substituting, I will be getting answer x value as 3. Same. Till now how we have substituted, like that we have to substitute and we can solve. Next, finding the median of ungrouped data. So what is median? Median is middlemost observation. So for finding the median of the data, first we have to arrange the observations either in ascending order or descending order to get a perfect answer. Okay, so for finding the, again for finding the median of the data, that is middlemost observation, either we have to convert that observation in ascending order or descending order, so that the exact middlemost value will be getting. So for example, we are taking the observations are 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. First we have to arrange this in either ascending order or descending order. So what is the ascending order of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. So what we are getting in middle? So cancelling this. So exactly in the middle I am getting 3. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are odd number of observations. If I take one more observation as 6, then again I will be getting 6 here. So in middle I will be getting 2 observations, that is 3 and 4. If I take even number of observations, I will be getting 2 values. And if I take odd number of observations, in middle I will be getting only 1. So here for finding the median, we are again having 2 formulas. For odd number of observation is one formula, and for even number of observation we will be taking another formula. So for odd number of observations, till now I have said you. Okay, for example, we are taking one more example, that is 3, 7, 6, 5, 2. So this is odd number. Here we are having odd number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of observations are 5. So 5 is an odd number. Therefore, the number of observations are odd. So for odd observations, we have to take this formula, that is median is equal to n plus 1. What is n? N number of observations. Number of observations. How many observations? 5 observations. So here we have to substitute that value. And plus 1 divided by 2. Why? For this odd number of observation, by adding plus 1, we are converting it in even number of observations. So first I have to arrange this in ascending order. So first 2, after that 3, after that 5, after that 6, and after that 7. Okay, so substituting in this formula, so median is equal to, I am getting n number of observations as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 divided by 2th term. So 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2th term. So if I cancel this, 2 1s are and 2 3s are 6. So third term I am getting as a median. So what is first term, second term, third term? So I am having third term as 5. Therefore, the median is equal to third term. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So what is third term? 5. Therefore, the median of the given data is 5. Okay. Now coming to even number of observations. Same observations. If I have same observations, that is example 3, 7, 6, 5, 2. So these are the odd number of observations. If I add one more observation, let the observation be 4. I have taken one more observations. So how many observations are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of observations are 6. As 6 is an even number, so this is even number of observation. So for the even number of observation, we will be taking the formula, that is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. That is the average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. That is middlemost 2 terms. So I am converting this into ascending order, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have converted this into ascending order. I am substituting in this in the formula. This is ascending order. I am substituting in the formula. Number of observations are 6. Therefore, median is equal to 6 by 2th term plus 6 by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. That is the average. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So here I am getting third term plus 3 plus 1, that is fourth term. Fourth term divided by 2. So what is third term? This is first term, this is second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth term. So I have to take the average of third term and fourth term. So third term is 4 and fourth term is 5. Therefore 4 plus 5 divided by 2. That is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9 divided by 2. So on dividing I will be getting 9 divided by 2. I am getting 2 4s are 8. Here I will get remainder 1. So I have to convert this in decimal form. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. Therefore the answer is 4.5. Therefore median of the given data is 4.5. So this is how we will calculate the median of, that is middlemost observation of the given data or observations, whether the observations are in odd number or in even number. So this is the process how we will find the median of the given data. Now we are going to find third central tendency, that is mode. So what is mode of the given data? Most frequently occurring observation is called as mode. So for example, I am taking the observations as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So I have taken first 6 even numbers. So here I have to check whether any observation is occurring 2 times or more than 2 times. So if the observation is occurring 2 or more times, then that observation will be mode. So here in this number of observation, here I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 number of observations, but no observation is occurring most frequently. So no observation is repeating. So because of that, here each and every number is mode of itself. Okay, here we can't say that no mode is here. So each and every number is mode of itself. So here each and every number is mode of itself. If I take one more observation, that is 6 here. So now the number of observations have been changed, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till now we are having 6 observations. So now we are having 7 observations. So here I have to check whether any observation is occurring most frequently or not. So here 6 is repeating 2 times. So therefore number of observation. So here 6 is occurring 2 times. Therefore mode of this given data is 6. Okay. So by this we can say that most frequently occurring observation is the mode. Now we are taking one more example, and here we are finding all the 3 central tendencies, that is mean, median and mode. So for example, we are taking the observations as 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 8. So here I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more observations as 5. So for this we are finding all 3 central tendencies, that is mean, median and last one is mode. So for finding mode, I have already told you what is the formula. X bar is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations, that is sum of observations. These all observations we have to add. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. So on adding we get 3 plus 4 7, 9, 14, 20, 20 plus 8 28, 33. So here I am getting 33 divided by 7. So on dividing we will be getting 33 divided by 7. So 7 4s are 28. On subtracting we will be getting, here we are taking carry, so 13 minus 8 I am getting 5. Okay, so remainder is 5. I am converting in decimal form, that is 0, 7, 7s are 49, again I am getting 1, again 0, 7 1s are 7, again I will get 3. Okay, again if I take 0 it will continue. So after decimal take 2 digits, that is 4.71. Now finding the median most observation, I have already told you for finding median of the data, either we have to convert this in ascending order or descending order. So I am converting this in ascending order. In ascending order I will be getting first 2, after that 3, again 4, after that 5, again I have 5, after that 6 and after that 8. So here number of observations are 7, therefore these are odd number of observations. So for that we have the formula, first formula, that is n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 7 plus 1 divided by 2th term, that is 8 divided by 2. So here I will get 4th term. So what is the 4th term? first, second, third and fourth term. So fourth term is 5. Therefore, median is equal to 5. Okay, last, that is mode. Most frequently occurring observation. So which one is occurring most frequently? Here I have 5 2 times. So therefore, most frequently occurring observation is 5. Therefore, mode of the given data is 5. Okay, this is how we have found all 3 central tendencies, that is mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. So in next class we will be discussing about grouped data. Okay, thank you.